We're gonna throw our hair up really quick with these two tiny ponytails and this bigger scrunchie and just get it out of our face in a quick hair tie. Okay, so we're just gonna take a chunk from the first part of our head, I guess. Put it in a little ponytail here. And now we have that ponytail, so we're just gonna pull it out a bit and just flip it in the middle of it and then just kind of squish it up. Pull it out. Remember those like Topsy hair things back in the 90s? And they did that for you? That would be so handy right now. Okay, so now that we have that, we're just gonna go and do that again, just on the outer pieces up here. Pull it up into a ponytail. And then just kind of straighten it out if you want. Make it a little cleaner. So you'll notice I didn't like tie it super tight to my head. There's room to spare, and that's because I'm gonna pull this apart again and just, okay, so that's how it looks. So you got the two things there. Like I said, you can tighten if you want, straighten if you need. All right, so now I just have all my hair, so I'm just gonna literally pull it all up into one big giant ponytail, right? I'm just straightening the sides here with my fingers, no brush, comb needed. Sometimes I use one, but just straighten everything out. And that is my finished look. So there's other things you can do. Throw it up into a little bun, messy bun, throw a ponytail. But Tom just likes my hair just the way it is now, so like him.